Hey everyone, today let's dive into a hot topic from the Bangladesh Premier League, Dhaka Capitals. This team has been buzzing around lately, but not for the reasons we expected. Let's talk about the big names, the glamour, and the missing piece of the puzzle. Dhaka Capitals is led by none other than Shakib Khan, a legendary actor in Bangladesh, no doubt. Now the thing is, while Shakib Khan brings plenty of star power to the team, the question arises, how much cricket knowledge does he actually have? The team has invested heavily in the league, bringing in top-tier sponsorships, flashy brands like Turkish Airlines and Walton. On paper, they look like a powerhouse. They've spent big money on players. They have all the glitz and gum. But there's one major issue. They are not focusing enough on the current form of players. Despite all the buzz around the team, Dhaka Capitals' performance in the first few matches has been underwhelming. Fans were expecting much more, and that's the key point here. It's not just about having money to spend or bringing the best sponsorship. It's about knowing the game and making smart decisions for the team. Shakib Khan, while a popular figure, isn't a cricket expert. That lack of deep cricket knowledge may be affecting the team's choices and strategies. Sure, they are drawing attention, but the focus should really be on understanding the game and nurturing the players who are currently in top form. The sponsorships are incredible. No doubt, these brands are investing in Dhaka Capitals because they believe the team will succeed and win the tournament. But as we've seen, it's not just about the brand deals. If the team doesn't perform, the trust can start to fade. What Dhaka Capitals need is deeper commitment to the sports itself. More cricket knowledge, more focus on the players who are in form, and less about just the business side. It's all about balancing the glamour with the grit of the game. But hey, this is BPL and there's always room for improvement. I believe Dhaka Capitals can come back stronger, but they need to refocus their approach and start prioritizing cricket over the business side. Success in sport isn't just about money or star power. It's about understanding the game and staying passionate about it. Let me know what you think in the comment. Can Dhaka Capitals turn it around? Or are they missing the mark? I'd love to hear your thoughts.